Google Pixel 3 leaked yet again, latest images may reveal refreshed design and display. Google Pixel 3 appears to have leaked yet again, and the latest images seem to have revealed a brand new design and display. Google Pixel 3 is one of the most highly anticipated Android phones of the year and is expected to radically refine the tech giant's smartphone line. In addition to addressing fan concerns from the Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL, the device is expected to come packing turbocharged internals, a revamped look and improved camera system. Google is widely presumed to be planning a grand unveiling of the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL on October 4. This is the same date the tech giant announced the original Pixel and Pixel 2 in their respective launch years. But the Pixel 3 appears to have been plagued with leaks that may have lifted the lid on the surprises it was set to bring to the table. Earlier this month, a video emerged from a user on Telegram who appeared to have got hold of a Google Pixel 3 XL. The person in question then filmed an unboxing of the alleged flagship. The clip showed an apparent Pixel 3 XL touting an all-screen design, a notch, and Android 9 Pie software. Shortly after, a publication called Mobile Syrup was contacted by one of its readers who claimed they had spotted the new Pixel on public transport in the Canadian city of Toronto. The alleged Pixel 3 was wrapped in a case but showed a similar deep notch at the top of the device that has been widely rumored for months. And now more images have emerged of the device being used in the city. Mobile Syrup received the pictures from another reader. One of them gives a tantalizing look at the rear of the device. The device shown appears to line up with rumors surrounding the larger Pixel 3 XL. The back of the device features a single camera lens and the signature Pixel mix of glass and brushed aluminium. Pixel 3 XL has been widely rumored to feature the same 12.2 megapixel camera present in the current Pixel 2. However, Google would surely refine its lauded single snapper with improved machine learning and a more capable lens this time around. Those eagerly awaiting confirmation of this leak will not have to wait long. Google is expected to announce its newest Pixel device in less than 2 months.